Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Visual channel. Today we are going to see what are data types, types of data types in databases, introduction to SQL commands like create, insert, select, delete and truncate. So let's start. Our first question is, what are data types? A data type is a description of the kind of data in a table column. Each database system recognizes its own set of data types. Examples will be like integer, text, date and time, decimal. What are the different types of data types available in MySQL? Answer is, first is numeric, second is decimal, third is date and time, and fourth one is string or character. There is a memory allocated to each data type with respect to their use. Let's see our today's SQL commands. First is to select any database. The syntax will be like use database name. Next is for creation of table. The syntax is create table, table name. Inside round bracket, we will give column name and their respective data type. Our next command is to see the description of the table or schema of the table. The syntax is like dex or table name. Dex table name. Our next command is insert the values inside the table. The syntax is insert into table name values, and in round brackets we will provide some values. So guys, look here, for varchar and date data type we will use double quotation for values, and for integer and float we will not use in quotation. Next command is to retrieve all the data. We will use syntax is like select star from table name. Next command is to delete particular row. The syntax is like delete from table name, and we have to provide some conditions like where id is equals to some value. Next command is to truncate the table. Syntax is like truncate table name. Truncate command will remove all the data inside your table. So let's move with the practical. So guys, let's start with our today's practical. Please open the MySQL command line client, then type your password, and we are ready to go. So first of all, I will see all the databases present inside my system. So I will use show databases, and here the list of all databases inside my system. So first of all, I will use test db where I have to work. So you can see database is changed, and now we are inside the test db database, and now we will proceed further with the test db database. After that, I am going to use show tables to see all the tables list inside the testdb database. So here is the list, you can see. Now I am going to create table inside this testdb database. For that I am going to use create table, and the name of the table I am going to use person, then give the column name with their data type. So first is id int, next column will be name of the person, and varchar. Here let's take 30 bits, then date of birth of the person, and data type will be date, and next column will be his or her salary, and data type will be float, and let's close the round bracket and semicolon, enter. So you can see query OK, and the table is created. Let's see is the table created or not. Show tables again, and the list of table are here, and you can see the person table name is inside the list. So let's see the description of the table, and command is desk person, and field name on the left side and with their respective data type, id, name, date of birth, salary, and we give for id integer, name varchar, date of birth, date, salary float. This is the schema of our table. Now let's enter the value inside that table. So we will use insert into table name and values, and we will give values in the tuple format. So I am already written some values, and I will use all the values here just by using copy paste to save my time. So please look at here, for the name and date of birth I use double quotation and for ID and salary I did not use double quotation. We can see here for name and date of birth we have to use in double quotation, and for integer we don't use quotation. Okay, let's enter. Now we can see query OK, 5 row affected. It means our query is executed successfully. As for that, let's see our table values. For that, select star from table name. Table name will be person. Let's enter. Now you can see all the values we have put together inside the table. We can see here in the table format. So now let's move to our next command, which is delete. So let's try delete from table name. Table name will be person. Delete from person. So for the, delete we have to put the condition which row you want to delete. So we will put where, and we have to use any condition. On that basis it will deleted. So I am going to use id is equals to, let's take 102. So I want to delete 102 id row. So now you can see query OK, one row affected. It means our one person with the id of 102 is deleted. Let's see. Select star from person, and you can see the table details where 102 is not present. It means this record is deleted. Now our next command is truncate. So let's see how truncate works. Inside truncate, for the truncate command we will use truncate and table name person. In this command the all values will be deleted and the schema of the table remain same. So let's see query OK. Let's see what data inside that table is present. So now you can see empty set. Empty set represents the data is not available inside the person table name. So in this way we can see truncate command, and let's see the schema is present or not. So desk person, yeah, you can see the schema is available but the data is deleted. So these are the command for today, and we will see more command in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye guys.